FDA Data Dashboard How-To. Performing data searches. Each dashboard can be searched within its specific data set. Free text search can be performed by typing into the search field. As search terms are typed, a drop-down displays the most relevant content in the dataset, highlighted where the entered text is matched. Search results are grouped by the data field containing the match. Click a group to filter the dataset by all of the matching values in that field. The applied filters are shown in the selection bar. The search results will narrow as more text is typed. Visit the How-To section of the Data Dashboard site for more videos at datadashboard.fda.gov.